add source, and then add the source depending on what monitor you want to use to capture. If you have a multiple monitor setup like I do, I almost stumbled over that, but I didn't, so I don't have to edit that out. Super proud of myself. But yeah, just rename it, add new source, and it'll show up here in the sources. I've already done that. As you can see, I'm currently recording monitor 1 to record this YouTube video. If you want to hide a source, all you got to do is click this eyeball right here, and I'm not going to do that because my screen's going to go black and that's not going to be a good viewing experience. But on the right hand side is your mixer, which is where you record all of your audio throughout your recording or streaming. Right here you have your microphone and auxiliary, which is what I'm using right now, my Blue Yeti microphone to record audio for this video. And then you also have desktop audio, so this would be where your game audio would come from if you were to record a video game. Down below all of these 3 mini little sections here, we have this one bar, which is the button to go live once you have your stream stuff set up, the recording button, a button to test the widgets for your stream, which is just not applicable in a recording setting. To the left here, this is where you have the percentage of your CPU that the application is actually taking up, which is pretty nice to have. You have your FPS that you're currently recording at, dropped frames in case that's an issue, your notifications, as well as cloud backup, and then the kilobytes per second is essentially your upload for when you're streaming, which just doesn't apply to recording. The next thing that I want you guys to go up and do is go to the settings icon on the top right. It should be the gear icon, and you're going to want to go to output. So once you have output here, change the output mode to advanced, and then go all the way down to recording. Now you guys can copy the settings that I have here because this actually works really well. Some things are going to change depending on your computer. So for example, you can choose your recording path, you can click browse, and it'll take you to your file explorer on your computer if you're using Windows 10, and you can choose a specific file for the output of your videos. For your recording format, I like to use MP4, but if you have other needs for your videos, you can definitely change that here. For audio tracks, I like to leave it as 1, but if you have multiple audio inputs, then maybe that's something that you need to dabble and change with. And right here is recording. Now if you have an AMD graphics card, NVIC isn't going to show up for you, but if you have an Intel, then that's exactly what's going to show up. Personally, I believe NVIC.
Hello. Which one work like different stream that works for you as well, guys? And ready, we're just gonna the play, of course, this really display capture, and you made name 2, and here we go. Add new source, and here we go. So this is the display that we have right here. That's the display that we have. So one user, you just gonna go to you